Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a capybara. This is my third, take 3 of this. First one I did wrong. Second one, naughty Nelly, my cat, ruined, didn't you? Right, jumping on the table, having to make her appearance. I've got 3 cats. 3 rescue cats. And I've got a little sausage dog and a rescue dog from Serbia. You can have a look at those on my YouTube channel. There's some funny videos on there. Anyway, I'll get on now. So you're going to need a rubber and a pencil. And then if you want to draw around yours after, you can use your black felt tip. So I would suggest you get a pencil that's 2B because they're softer. So they rub out better. The harder pencils sometimes dig into the paper a little bit too. So what I would normally do when I'm drawing is I don't draw with the pen straight away because I make mistakes, as I did before. I sketch, so I don't draw a line like that. That's quite hard, so you can mould yours like this. Just keep moving it along. So I'm not going to do that because you can hardly see that. I'm going to use a felt tip. Okay, so let's hope this one goes right. So this one was kindly suggested by someone on my YouTube channel. There are 58 draw-alongs on there. You'll find the course on the YouTube channel. And surprisingly, I hadn't done a capybara. So I'm going to go. And another tip I've just noticed. This makes your hand move a little bit freer, whereas your hand will drag. So put something under your hand, especially when you're doing your outline. It's harder. And you could turn your paper to the direction that you're going as well, but I'm going to try and keep mine like that. So I'm starting with the face, and I'm going to stop here. Here we go again. Raven. This is Raven this time. Raven, can you go and play with Nelly, please? Right? Distracting me. Don't knock it over. Right, here we go. This video is going to be a lot longer. You've left your cat hair on my page. Raving Raven. So there we go. And I'm going to stop there and I'll tell you why in a minute. So first of all, I need to draw an ear. Now that ear is behind, so that's why you can see the line going across here, here. So that ear is behind, so the line's going across. Well, with this ear, because this is closer to you, it's not behind. So that's why I stopped there. And I'm going to draw that ear just like that. And you need an inside of the ear. I think that looks a bit like that. And you can start seeing we're getting on with the head there. Alright, now this is a bit of a hard one. You can sketch if you rather. So we're going to come down. And then we're going to go out. Curvy line. And I'm going to stop there because I need to put his little foot on. There we go. Right, I'm going to draw to here and have a little flick there. The reason I've done that is because his chin, that's bringing his chin in. If I didn't have that line, it wouldn't look like he's got a chin coming out. So I'm going to draw, and again I'm going to stop here because I need to put this leg on. So this leg, we'll stop there for a minute because the feet are hard. And the same here. Raven, go away. Don't be causing mischief. Usually Nelly, why are you being the cheeky one? Nelly's fast asleep. There we go. Funny little feet. Squat. I don't know. They look strange. Sorry, capybara, but you have got very strange feet. Oh, that one's behind again. Can you see how that one is behind there? So I'm going to come down here like that. His little felt foot. Yes, again, I'm going to draw the back foot next so I don't forget to stop. I keep doing that. There we go. This funny little foot again. So this is going to go up here, meet that line. It's messy there, won't it? There we go. See, if you've done it in pencil, it would look better. Now, it doesn't look right. Can you guess why it doesn't look right? It needs a knee on the leg on here. So that's going to come up and round to there. And this needs to just come over there, like that. So there's his leg. Now for the face. They've got a funny face as well. I'm being mean now, aren't I? Right, sorry, Capybara. You are so cute, but you are a little strange. There's these little nostrils. Oh, Nellie's awake now. Raven. She's going to play with a crinkly tunnel now and make noise. I'm going to do a little smile. Like that. Okay. And then this side. What's she up to? Up to no good. There we go. So we all need now is his eye. And I think they've got strange eyes as well. There we go. There's his eye. There he is. You can colour the eyes in if you like. It's up to you what you do. And you could maybe shade this bit and shade his paws if you like. So there we go. There he is, the little capybara. I think he's had a bit too much dinner, hasn't he? He's a bit chunky. He's a little bit of a chunk. So I'd love to see... Why are you sitting on my leg, Raven? I'd love to see your pictures. You can find out details below how to send them to me. Hope you enjoyed the draw along. You can find 58 in my... You're distracting me, Raven. 58 in my course. Feel free to suggest ones that you would like me to draw. I'm also going to do some draw alongs on movement. So how to make characters move, how to make vehicles and transport move, or maybe weather, so the weather's blowing someone's scarf. You can suggest stuff for that as well if you like. That's going to be my next course. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more draw alongs. Take a look around. There's more things on there. There's got some quizzes and things that you might enjoy. And mischievous fur baby videos. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope I've not forgot anything because she's distracting me, that little one there. So thank you for watching and see you next time.